If you want to take a macro photo on iPhone 17 Pro or Pro Max, then in that case we can open the camera, of course, and then in the photo mode, if you put your camera close to the subject that you want to take the picture of, you should be able to find this flower icon in the bottom left corner of the preview. And if you don't have it, I'm gonna show you in a second how to actually get it. So as you can see, we can easily take a photo of something that is really small. If you disable this flower, then of course you will lose the focus, so it is of course recommended to use this this flower icon to activate it, because this allows you to use the macro mode to take macro photos. Of course, in addition to that, you can also use zoom. So if you want to zoom in, then you can easily do that. And most of the time, if you zoom into like 0.4x maybe, and then the quality will still be quite decent. However, in some cases you may need to adjust the camera in case you lose the focus, so you have to keep that in mind. However, most of the time it works quite well and there are no issues with the macro mode. So instead of this flower, there's also a chance that you will just have automatic macro mode, so the camera can automatically switch lenses between the standard lens and the lens that is being used to take macro photos, which I believe is the ultra wide one, but I'm not certain. Now, if that happens and you actually wish to have the dedicated macro mode button, then we want to open settings, and then over here we need to choose camera. And now in camera settings, if you scroll down, then you should be able to find lens correction, or actually macro control. This is the one that we are looking for. So if this option is disabled, then your phone will automatically switch between the macro mode and the normal mode. But if you have this option enabled, then you will be able to find this flower button. And that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe.